Welcome to our latest steel structure project, a modern, high-performance industrial facility designed for efficiency, durability, and visual appeal. This steel structure factory measures 90 meters in length, 84 meters in width, and 10 meters in height, offering ample space for large-scale manufacturing and logistics operations. The factory's primary framework is built using Q355 H-beam steel. This ensures structural stability even under heavy industrial loads, while allowing for flexible internal layouts. The exterior of the building combines aluminum panels and composite panels, offering superior corrosion resistance, thermal insulation, and low maintenance, ideal for factory environments. The glass curtain wall section defines the office area, creating a sleek, modern facade. It allows for abundant natural light, improves employee comfort, and supports energy efficiency. To further optimize the workspace, adjustable louvers are installed on the curtain wall. These provide sun shading, privacy, ensuring a comfortable and productive office environment. Both the interior and exterior are equipped with 4 meters by 4 meters and 5 meters by 5 meters lifting doors, strategically placed to facilitate the smooth entry and exit of large vehicles and equipment. These doors improve operational efficiency and streamline logistics.
Inside the workshop, the facility is equipped with 2 5-ton gantry cranes and 1 10-ton gantry crane, ensuring efficient material handling, assembly, and loading of heavy components, greatly enhancing productivity and safety. A lightning rod is installed on the roof, ensuring enhanced protection against lightning strikes and reinforcing the factory's safety standards.
This project reflects our commitment to engineering excellence, functional design, and global construction standards in the steel structure industry.